Hey guys, it's Greg again. I want to go over the markets with you, trying to get an idea where this is going to pump. I was watching some guys last night that insisted that Bitcoin was not done with its wave, and they were putting in, guess what, shorts. There's some guys in shorts are just getting demolished right now. They're putting in shorts along here, along here, along here, along here, along here on not just Bitcoin but other assets too. I said, look, guys, what are you doing that for, man? And you got to stop that. Last night, this guy's put it in here. So sure, this is a 5-wave impulse, and and he put it in right there. Look at it now. Look at it now. Hope he had his stop losses in there. I think that he did, but having stop losses is nice. You have risk mitigation and you don't have the losses, but it still sucks when you go put your stuff on and then you turn around and next thing you know, your account just got stopped out. So that sucks. So I am still patiently waiting. I'm looking at these fib levels, and I think Bitcoin is probably just going to make its way up to about 42.5. It's already at 42.2. I think that's a possibility. The other thing too, I want to show you guys, I said this earlier. This is in my corrective fake pump. It's going to go up. It's going to go up here and then maybe retrace a little bit, and it might go up again. It could happen. Personally, I just want this correction. Just, get on with it, Bitcoin. That's my own personal thing. Let's get this correction over with and move on with it. If this goes back up here, it just delays it. It goes back up, and then it's going to swing back down. But let me get rid of the level. The 60-day cycle. You see, I have these two lines. You guys might notice that these two lines. This is the 40 from this area, 45-day to the 60-day. So I do keep track of the 60-day cycle and on Bitcoin. And there could possibly be, if it didn't come in, if it came in for the low right here, then there's a possibility that it might go up to this trend line to like 44 or 45 and then swing back down. Or on the 60-day cycle with Bitcoin, it could come back down, swing up here, and then swing down here to this trend line or to this trend line. Okay. I was telling guys that in my opinion, there's a really good chance that we're coming near the end of this correction on Bitcoin. And this is what I think are a couple possibilities that can happen, just to let you guys know. You have this. If this is, say this is like a 5-wave move it did, this would be like an A. It could come up for this B, and then it'll come down for the C in this area. So here, 35, 32, maybe even go down to 30, 31 or below 30. And I think that area is going to be then the correction. Or it's coming down, it's going up for a next wave, and it's going to come aggressively down for a Y into these same areas. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. And I think that's a possibility, a good probability that may be the end of the correction. I think the best thing is to have it come down into this area and have a wick, just below that. And then it can go off into its 5th wave and create some good bullish divergence. So that's just what I think. Check this out on AAVE. I set up AAVE to trying to do a retrace on this whole leg that it did. And, it's getting near the 0.5 fib. And then maybe it's going to get up to the golden pocket on the retrace. Now, AAVE gives me some clues on what is going on here. And this I know is a 5-wave impulse on AAVE. Okay. So this is a 3-wave move, and this is a 3-wave move, and now it's doing this. So with AAVE, I'm pretty sure this is going to be A, B, and then up for a C. So, and the other coins, a lot of the other coins are doing that too. Solana is a little bit different story. This is more like a B, C, a 3-wave move, or maybe something here like a WXY type move that it did, and then it's going up on this X. So this could still go up on the coins. You know, Harmony 1, I know this is a 5-wave impulse, 3-wave, and it's going up right here. So these you can see how high the RSI is getting up. You know, that's a 2-hour chart. Same thing with Kusama. I expect Kusama is going to hit maybe 188 possibly. So this is, and this might be Kusama's 5th-wave move here, an ABC, a 3-wave move, excuse me, a 3-wave move there. So, and Phantom is more or less the same, you know, came down in this 3-wave move, a 3-wave, and it's going up in this, this impulse. So I mentioned before that Phantom could go up to like $1.30 or something like that. And then, you know, with Luna, it's coming to Luna is coming to the end. It's starting to build up quite a bit of bearish divergence. So it is coming to an end of something on that sequence that it has. You know, it's not that strong yet. Probably going to hang out up there for a little while, and it's going to retrace. So that's going to answer once these retraces happen. That's going to answer a lot of questions on what is going on with the market, whether it's going to be going, you know, down and then retrace back up to come back down, or if it's just coming down from here. So that's kind of what I'm looking out for. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to finish up what it needs to finish up here. And Bitcoin could keep going up. There's no divergence. No divergence yet. So it could keep going up. And I did a, let's see. Let me do a retrace on this. Yeah, so if that's that 3-wave expanded flat type move, it could get up to, might stop at about 42.2. It's already almost hit that. Let me take the wicks out. So maybe 42.5 or something like that, possibly. And then we might know, see if it swings back down and it creates some divergence or something like that, guys. So new protocol, it's creating some divergence. So it's coming to the end of something, probably a 3-wave move, and then it'll swing where it will swing back down, something like that, maybe. That's about it, guys. I want to go over ETH. Finally, ETH went up to a level that I thought was more recent. Let's take a look at ETH, see if we can get any clues in here. Yeah, so ETH will probably get up to 3,200. 3,200, there's no divergence yet. You got to remember, these two can go up like that, 2.618. So it could go up to 34 on an expanded flat in crypto. They can go 1.618 and then up to here. They can go up there. See what Gala's doing. Yeah, see, Gala's the same way. You know, it's kind of, it gives me clues to what the rest of the market is doing, because this is clearly, you know, you get your third, your fifth of your third, up for your fourth, and down for your fifth right there. And then up for 3, back around on a B, 3-wave, and then up for the C. Let's see what kind of retracement that is on Gala, just get an idea. You know, this will help. So you get an idea what's going on here with Gala. So you get more clues this way. Yeah, so it's at 1.38. So yeah, it could get up there. 21 cents, pop up to 21 cents. There's no divergence yet. No divergence yet on that. So Sandbox, see what Sandbox is doing. Sandbox, you know, Sandbox came down, same thing. Here's its third. Swung around for a fifth, up for 3, down for 3, and up for 5. check that out. It broke its low too. That's not good for, yeah, so it's right at 1.618 on its retracement. So, and there's no divergence yet. So it might swing around and get up there to 328. So that is a possibility. We still possibly have more upside. The other one I was looking at for short that I was telling you guys about is AAVE. And this thing is just moonshotting. It's going to keep going up. No divergence. No divergence. So it's going to keep going more than likely. Still no divergence. It might get up to the golden pocket. And let's take a look at it overall on that RSI. So the RSI is up here. Last time it was that high when it was up here. So you guys can see, just say, let's say it goes right there. And then this divergence. So it's probably going to pop up like that. So that's hidden bearish divergence. So it's going to pop up more than likely with AAVE, just with that move, and it keeps going up. That's getting up nice and high. It's going to swing back down. And that's just, you know, looking at the other assets gives you clues on what is going on with the market. You know, this is clearly a 5-wave down, extended 5th wave, 3 and then up. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching my video. Peace.